is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Josh and Babe channel. Okay, so this is going to be a short non-cooking video, but you guys have been loving the grill review videos that we've been doing, and this is going to be no exception. This is the fucking Rolls Royce of grills. I love this thing. I am so freaking pumped. Monument Grills sent us the Mac Daddy, the King Daddy, the brand new awesomeness right here. I haven't even turned it on yet. We just finished building it, and I immediately wanted to jump on camera and talk to you guys about it. Let's go over some of the features, some of the cool stuff that I noticed in building it, and then we'll go from there. Subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be doing a lot of different cooks. I already have like 5 different cooks that I wanna do on this grill, but that will be subsequent videos. Right now, I just wanted to introduce this grill. It's hitting the market like right now. So we were one of the very first people to get it. So it's hitting the market right now. I wanted to talk to you guys about it. I want to show you summer's coming. This might need to be in your arsenal. Really, really. Let me talk about some of the features. I think you're going to be pumped. So maybe I got ahead of myself, but I do have to tell you a couple of things. I didn't even tell you the name. This is the Monument Grills Denali, the 2024 Monument Grills Denali 605 Pro. And one thing I loved right off the bat before I even opened the box is the cost compared to some of their competitors is lower. The construction is fantastic. It also comes with a cover, the temp probes, and a rotisserie. You know, the motor, you can put a chicken on it, do a slow roasting, like an El Pollo Loco, like a Costco rotisserie chicken. So you're getting all this stuff with one purchase price shipped to your house. So that, right out of the gate, before I even opened the box, was mind-blowing. Built with stainless steel construction. Those infrared boxes right there under the burners, and then the ceramic ones to get up to like 900 degrees to do the searing. So it's obviously built to last for a fraction of the price, and you get all the goodies with it. And now I've put together a couple Monument grills. I can tell you, it's built to last. I have one here in the backyard that's been in the weather and everything. It's still rocking just fine. Now the 605 Pro, they've taken into consideration all kinds of little things. Like, you know, the propane tank underneath the grill, they put it on casters so that you could pull it out. Instead of breaking your back, going in and changing a propane tank, it easily slides out. So that's awesome. Obviously, most of the Monument grills, you saw our other Denali, it has a little Wi-Fi control panel, goes to an app on your phone. You can monitor temperatures, you can do all kinds of things like that. Increased battery pack size, so you don't have to constantly change your batteries. Just all the little quirks and all the details. 6 burners. They just really, from what I'm seeing so far, they've done a really, really nice job. Now let's dive in and take a closer look at some of the cool features. Then I'll let you go, and then we'll do a cooking video tomorrow. All right, let's look at some of the features. Like other Monument grills, this one has a clear view lid, although on this Denali, it has an extra large viewing area. It's 205 square inches, and it's safe and it's heat resistant. Because if you're looking, you ain't cooking, but you can look right through here with the lid still down. So the 2024 Denali 605 Pro, it actually has 5 infrared burners, plus the extra ceramic infrared sear burner, plus on the side, it has the big ceramic sear plate. So you have just a lot of different grilling space, and you have a lot of different grilling options, which honestly, the performance is going to be hotter, more faster. Is more faster even a word? More faster and even richer flavor. Now in like a normal barbecue, it would get up to about 680 degrees per burner, but this one has the Blade infrared burner system, so that's 750 degrees on each burner. But then you come over here on this red burner right on this one, and this is the ceramic infrared burner. This goes to 900 degrees right here. That's ridiculous. That's like some hardcore Las Vegas steakhouse, you want to sear a steak. That is awesome. 900 degrees right here, and that's just on the grill grate itself. So I wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. This area of the grill lifts up, this circle right here. So this right here is called the round grid, which you can just turn it to be just like that. But they make other accessories. So you could buy a griddle, so if you want to do a smash burger or something like that. You could do a dual-sided sear grate right here, or you could get a pizza stone. All available through Monument Grills. A lot of different attachments in here, really easy to interchange. So I really like that feature. I know it's the daytime right now, but this is lit up in white, each one of these, because it's turned off. When you're on medium, it turns to orange. When you're on maximum, it turns to red. So you're either on orange, medium, or low, red maximum, or white off. And at night, it looks beautiful. It's really, really cool. If we come over to this left shelf here, once you open this up, this gets up to 12,000 BTUs. This is ceramic infrared searing station that just gets ridiculously hot. So if you don't want to mess around with that other searing station on the actual grill, if you're doing something else, you can bring your stuff over here, just get a ripping hot ceramic infrared sear, which is a really nice feature that the other Denali didn't have. Now these are cast iron cooking grates with a little ambient air temperature here, but then there's also probes that will run off of that that'll run to the app on your phone. These are the infrared burners. This goes into a stainless steel box with a drip pan underneath. I was just cleaning my other one, super easy, and they made this one even nicer. All the quirks or anything about all these other grills, they thought of it all and just did it all. These grates are super heavy duty and super nice. Really awesome. I know that you all love cooking videos on our channel, but it was really important to me to get this video out as soon as possible. If you guys are shopping around Lowe's, Home Depot, Costco, maybe you're browsing around online, I really recommend that you go to the Monument Grill's website. There's gonna be links down below for everything. Give them a look, compare some prices on what you see on other grills that have all these different features that are built the same construction wise and have that, and then look at Monument Grills compared to this other grills. This is a really good company for a really good price, and they'll even ship to your house, ship to wherever. So I suggest, or I recommend, or if you're in the market for a new gas grill, you might want to give this a look. It's pretty cool. Very soon, we're gonna come out with some cooking videos on this. I'm excited to do the burn off. I already have 5 recipes planned. Right now, in the meantime, while I'm just rambling, let's put our Epic Tier 3 and our Tier 2 channel members that support us, that hit the little join button next to the subscribe button right up on the screen. I won't take much more of your guys' time. Thank you all for supporting us. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you, Monument Grills, for sending us that. We really enjoy working with your company, and I think you do make a fantastic product. So I look forward to talking to you guys in the future. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns down below, and I'll try and answer them or put you in touch with somebody that knows more about it than me, but it's a pretty cool grill. All right, we'll see you on the next video.